Some things in life are just made to go together. Peanut butter and jelly, rock and roll, the sun and the moon. These things got Blake Sanders, the owner of KS Services, thinking, what can we pair with our superior heating and air service to make our customers even happier? Plumbing Experts by KS Services was born. So the next time you have a clogged line, leaky faucet, or water running all through the house, know there's a reputable company out there on call just a click away. Call KS.com, your trusted source for heating and cooling and now plumbing.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Tuesday, the 7th of May. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather very warm and dry through tomorrow. Then showers and storms creep back in the forecast by Thursday, Friday, and the weekend. How much rain will fall? Will the weekend be totally ruined by rain? We'll answer those questions as we go. There's the upper look this morning. Got a trough coming into the southwest United States that'll be producing some very active weather west of Alabama through tomorrow. But around here feels pretty good. Most spots are in the 50s to start the day. Look at Fort Payne at 51, Birmingham 59. But a big warm-up today, highs mid to upper 80s this afternoon. Check the watch warning map. Flash flood watches west of the state. Around the Arklatex region, also parts of Kansas, Missouri, and Nebraska. Looky here, we got a moderate risk of severe storms today for parts of the Texas Panhandle, east of Amarillo, into extreme western Oklahoma. And then we have an enhanced risk down into parts of West Texas, up into southern Kansas. But no problems here. Tomorrow, an enhanced risk for parts of East Texas back over toward Shreveport. The broad risk runs from the Rio Grande up to Chicago. And day 3, which is Thursday, a risk of severe storms from the western Gulf Coast region up into parts of the Ohio Valley. We note that a marginal risk noses into north and west Alabama, west of a line from near Huntsville to the western suburbs of Birmingham, down into Washington County. And the main threat's going to be west of the state, and we'll talk about this as we go. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. The really big numbers west of Alabama. In our state, rain amounts between 2 and 3 inches for the north, 1 to 2 inches for the southeastern counties of the state. So model fans, let's go. This is the GFS. This is the 06C run. Valid this afternoon at 1. New trough in the southwest. And for us, a sunny and warm day. Again, highs mid to upper 80s. Active storms to the west. This is tomorrow. We stay warm and dry. Upper 80s are likely. Got a surface low coming into Kansas, and obviously severe storms possible south and east of that feature. Thursday, the surface low approaching Chicago, showers and storms, and this is 1 o'clock Thursday, early afternoon, just north and west of here, and those will likely arrive by mid to late afternoon Thursday into Thursday night. This is Thursday night at midnight, the surface low moving into Canada, and with the dynamics pulling away and the surface low so far away, the storm should be weakening at that point. So initially, as they move into West Alabama late Thursday, they might produce some gusty winds, maybe some small hail, but it's a very low-end issue in terms of severe weather. And then Friday, the front stalls out as it becomes parallel to the upper airflow, and that's going to keep the weather unsettled. Look for occasional showers Friday, maybe a thunderstorm, highs in the low 80s. And the weekend will have the chance of rain at times as well because the front goes nowhere, kind of waffles back and forth. Saturday will be mostly cloudy with a chance of showers and storms. Nothing severe. Won't rain all day. The high close to 80, and the same thing on Sunday. So again, as you plan your weekend activities, understand that it's just not going to rain and rain and rain, but occasional showers and a few storms are likely. Highs, I'd say 77 to 80 on both days. And again, we don't expect any severe weather problems. But then Monday, the front gets a push to the south, and most of the state is dry. Temperature's pretty comfortable. That's a fairly nice air mass for mid-May. We'll be in the upper 70s. And a week from today, this is Tuesday, the 14th, new trough coming into Texas, a northwest flow aloft, and for most of the state, that's a dry air mass. Should be very comfortable highs, upper 70s and low 80s. Let's go out 10 days. This is Thursday of next week, the 16th. Look at that, broad troughing over the east, and if that happens to be correct, most of the state would be dry and very pleasant. Speaking of pleasant, look at the numbers for next week. You see the 80s, obviously, for this week, but next week, highs between 75 and 80 on most days, which is below average, and then we creep back up into the low and mid 80s later in the month. That's it for the Weather Extreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and God bless.
Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.